Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Honor 400 Pro. Alright, so let's move. First we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we can get access into the settings. Now we need to click on the chats. Now scroll down and click on chat backup. Let's begin with the Google account. I'm gonna describe everything for you. So under the Google account, currently we have selected the Google account that we are currently logged into on our device, and on that account the backup of our WhatsApp will be stored. It is crucial because, for example, if you want to restore that backup in the future, you will need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right now on the screen. Also, of course, we can click on Add Account. Now we just need to simply wait. Now in here we can type our second account, and also we can create a new one right in here. Okay, so now on this account, and the backup will be stored. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but we have some other options such as daily, weekly, monthly, and only when I tap a backup. So currently it's on the weekly, and that means that basically the backup will be automatically made each week, and I don't need to do this manually. It's really convenient and comfortable feature, and if you want, you can simply select the mode that you are interested in the most. Below we have option to include the videos. You can enable it right in here because defaultly it will be disabled. So basically in our backup, the photos and the videos that we have in our chats will be also backupped. You can see that 5 megabytes will be backupped. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you basically create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup. So you're doing it on your own. And now once everything is selected, click on this green button, backup. Now as you can see, the process has started, so we need to wait. In my case it's not gonna take that long because there are not that much of messages. Okay, you can see that the last backup was made like 2 seconds ago. We can also see its size, and basically that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.